Hi and welcome to this channel, and in this video I will be giving you a deep breakdown of 10 businesses that you can actually do in Kenya with 100k. 100k is good money in Kenya, and I believe you can start something with it. Also, if you're watching this without subscribing, please subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button that is below you. It is free of charge, and this will help you to get these videos anytime we upload them. Also, make sure to watch my playlist on how you can create a passive income online. I have a full playlist from lesson 1 all the way to lesson, I think, around 20 something. It's a series that is going to continue. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bell and you like the video. Well, now let's dive in. Stick to the end, since the last 3, I believe they are awesome. Number 1, of course, is a boda business, and with this one, the good thing is that you don't have to run it yourself. You can just get yourself a boda, a second-hand one. I think a good quality, there are those which ranges from 45,000, but a good one, a second-hand one, a good quality which won't cost you a lot to do repairs, it ranges from somewhere between 60,000 to 80,000. Then insurance and licensing 10,000, helmet and jacket 5,000, and other expenses 5,000. Hire someone. You don't have to be there, you can be doing even your other work. Hire someone, and this person, each and every day, they'll be bringing you some amount of money, let's say like 300, 400 or 500, depending on the area or the location. Another good business is M-Pesa agent, but with this one you must ensure that you have enough float. Never lack float. Don't let a customer come and maybe they want to withdraw like 30,000 and you're telling them I don't have money, and they want to deposit and you're telling them I don't have money. Of course, in Kenya I have written M-Pesa float is 50,000, but the minimum requirement is usually 20,000 float, and the line of M-Pesa line costs around 8 to 10,000 Kenyan shillings. Then you can rent somewhere simple, and you pay in advance 3 months, 30,000. Licensing and registration, with this one you just need to get a business permit. So you can maybe like say that you have a shop, you get a business permit for that one, getting of your like good conduct, KRA, and etc. Furniture and branding 10,000, and you don't have to bear all these expenses. You can keep it very simple. Just ensure you're somewhere where there is a lot of traffic, or somewhere where there is a market gap for M-Pesa. Actually, in my campus days, I used to be employed in an M-Pesa agent, and let me tell you, those guys, they usually make a commission. But for you to make a commission, you must ensure that you're not lacking money, and you're somewhere where there is demand for this business. Then we have the mitumba, or the second-hand clothes business, and now with this one, with 100k, you can now even be getting quite a number of belts, like maybe even 6 to 10. Then you come and resell them. You resell them as pieces to other people who are there. You start supplying to them, okay? And ensure you're marketing yourself well, and you're branding yourself on social media. You can start with an initial stock of 60,000. You can get a small rent of 20,000. Licensing and marketing and branding. Like now, let me give an example. You can start with kids clothes. Maybe you can start with rompers, jackets, trousers. Then when you come with them, ensure that a customer who's looking for rompers, a customer is looking for jackets, a customer is looking for kids trousers, they are going to get them there, okay? Market yourself well. And with 100k, you don't only have to sell to individuals, I mean to people who are just buying for wearing. You can also sell these ones to people who are going to resell them somewhere at a wholesale price. Then the next business is phone repair shop. Yes, but now with the phone repair shop, ensure that maybe if you have a skill in phone repairing, or you can go and get somewhere a skill in phone repairing. Of course, with the increase of use of smartphones, laptops, and these gadgets each and every day, it is in high demand. Each and every day people are replacing their screens, even they are doing something to their phones. So you can just get a simple place, get your equipments, 40,000, spare parts 30,000, shop and rent 20,000, and then license and business permits. You can also set up a simple salon or barber shop, but ensure you start with 100k. You know, some salon and barber shop equipments are very expensive. You can start with the basic ones. If it is for the salon, get a blow dry, a basic one, get a hair dryer, a basic one, and get a simple makeup kit. Then you can also incorporate that thing for shaving in the barber shop. Then ensure you set up a very simple, clean and salon. Personally, I have seen this. I don't know if you have gone to town and you've seen these small salons, and they are filled like these. People are there lining up. Why? Because of the services that they offer. You can also offer a milk dispenser or milk ATM business. With this business, just ensure that you're hygienic and also you're offering fresh milk. There is nothing frustrating like buying fresh milk, then once you reach your home you boil the milk and it's all bad. No. Ensure you market yourself well, and I have given you the breakdown. Then for the grocery shop, wow, with this one, hey, just get yourself a very good place, like you can rent somewhere. Then ensure that you arrange your fruits well, your vegetables well, the shelving, the display, and marketing yourself, and people will always come to buy there. So you can have a stock of 60k, a range of 20k, a shelving and display 10k, and licensing and permitting 10k. You can do cosmetic and beauty products shop, even though this one it's becoming more and more flocked, but if you can identify a place where there is a market gap for this, you can go for it, okay? But ensure that you're offering good quality products. People don't want to come and buy products which are going to harm their skin or harm their bodies. No. Okay, yeah, that here is the breakdown. Then you can do event planning services. Oh my god, nowadays people are doing events like what, I don't know, birthday, baby shower, I don't know what, home opening. Once you identify that I can do event planning services, with this one you even don't need like somewhere to really like open. You don't even have to open an office initially. You can just start by marketing and branding yourself, get a business card, and get some initial supplies, okay? Or you can even act as an intermediary. You know someone who has these chairs, tables, the decor, then you can liaise with them. You are in the middle. You'll be looking for the clients, and then you're getting what? A commission. Then you grow yourself, okay? Yes. And finally, online retail store, and this is one of my best, and I'm going to explain this in deep. Wow. So with this one is where now you selling your products online. And let me give you a secret, a tip, which most people don't know. The best place to sell your products is on Instagram. Yes, but ensure you're selling high quality products. Let me tell you something. Just because you don't have money, it doesn't mean someone else don't have money, okay? So even if you're broke or you're in that financial status where maybe right now you cannot afford a sneakers worthy 40,000, maybe right now you can afford the sneakers of 3k. Remember, there is that person who can afford sneakers worthy 50k. So why not go on Instagram and start selling high quality products on Instagram? With 100k, I give you a secret now, another one, which most people won't tell you. You can actually start importing your products on Alibaba, but you must understand how the taxes work, and also how to import the right way, okay? Yes, how can you import as a small scale business who is not able to import a full container? So for example, you can go on Alibaba, check for high quality smartwatches, and nowadays of course people are having a lot of smartwatches. I'm helping them to track their weight. Or you can look for some kids educational educational toys, these toys for children which are educational or learning materials for children, these toys which are educational, check them on Alibaba, then import them. Okay, so with 100k, number one, you can first of all get the skill of importing. Yes, you must know how to import from Alibaba as a small scale business. So you can import maybe from around, let's say 30k to 40k. You can, let's say 30k, start with 30k. Once you have your product, of course ensure you have set a business Instagram page. Of course it's good to have a budget for that, because you're going to be running your ads and they are paid. So you can even have a budget like for 10k for running ads. Also set aside like 20,000 maybe for other expenses. So how are you going to be selling on Instagram? People are going to be ordering from your page, and on Instagram it doesn't work like other platforms. Instagram, you're not really working with numbers. No, you can even have your page there with even like 100 followers or 50 followers, but you find out that that page is generating you even like, let me give an example, like let's say 5,000 per day. You can have another page there with even 1 million followers and they are not generating anything from them. Yes, so it's not about the numbers or the followers, it's about the real customers or genuine customers. Okay, so that is my small secret which I have given unto you. So let me hear in the comment section, would you like me to explain more about selling on Instagram, how to set up your Instagram business page and how to go about it? Let me know about that. Let me know in the comment section. Also, if you're watching this without subscribing, kindly subscribe and watch my playlist. I have shown you how you can create passive income online on this playlist. Also in the other playlist, I have given you my own story of my journey in online work, how I was scammed twice, my forex journey and why I quit forex, also the truth about online work, and also myths and misconceptions about online working. It's high time we tell people the truth. Sindio, yes, people need to also be shown the truth about online working. So all I'm asking from you is subscribe, and I love you. See you in the next video.